Hey, welcome back, and in this video we'll go over the course template page and how to enroll in a course. All your courses have a template page over here. That's what I'm currently on, and this is what a user will see when they have clicked the Learn More or Enroll Now buttons. Style this page as you see fit, but allow for the following buttons. So the Enroll button first has an attribute of MS code enroll, tied back to the course identifier. And there is a script that is site-wide that allows for a user to enroll into a course and then redirects a user to the enrolled courses page. Just heading over to the script over here. There's nothing you really need to change. If you do want to change the redirect link to send an enrolled user somewhere else, you can set that over here. Okay, and the script also adds a class of enrolled all the way down here when a user has enrolled in a course, and it essentially just changes out the color of the button. So it adds a class. It will add this class enrolled here. If you're clearing out your classes for the site, like if you are clearing them out like this, please make sure that you do not clear out the enrolled class over here, as it will change out the color for this button over here and is necessary just for UI or UX purposes. And if you'd like to change the color of that enrolled button, you can change it out over here. Okay, and that's it for the enroll button. So your upgrade button over here and over here has an attribute, of MS, of data MS content free. And this is essentially only visible to users that do not have a paid plan. All right, heading over to Memberstack, and we are going to now set the gated content. Gated content for this template is set on courses. Yes. So essentially for this template, we're gating course links. For the free gated content group, again, just a group that exists. You don't have to do anything here. And it's just to show content to users that do not have a free paid plan. So this group over here. For your premium plan, so your premium paid plan, we're gating the following courses over here. So users that are on the premium plan will have access to courses / monetizing, yes, whatever your courses are named. And then if they don't have access to that, they'll be redirected to access denied. And you can add as many courses under here that fall under a certain plan. You also have your teams plan. And this one is the plan that essentially allows a user access to all of your courses. So if I just go to gated content, you'll see that the teams plan allows a user access to all of your courses. So yeah, for gating content, just gate the courses collection and that's it. Users after this won't have access to your lessons or the courses page unless they have a paid plan. And that's about it for the courses page. So again, everything else over here, you can edit and style as you see fit. Just allow for the following buttons: the enroll button with this attribute, and then the upgrade your account button that goes to the pricing page with this attribute. All right, in the next video, we'll go over the lessons page and how to set that up. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.